Hi, my name is Tim Tiefenbach, and I welcome you to a brief audio presentation of our paper entitled Individual Differences in the Relationship Between Domain Satisfaction and Happiness, the Moderating Role of Domain Importance. This paper looks at the interindividual differences in the processes of subjective well-being by zooming in on the relationship between domain satisfaction and global happiness. Domain satisfaction can be understood as the level of satisfaction in a certain domain of life, such as finance, job, health, or family. Global subjective well-being is mostly measured as the level of overall happiness or general life satisfaction. The literature has identified values as one of the processes moderating the relationship between domain satisfaction and global life satisfaction. To give an example, let's assume that satisfaction in a certain domain, such as achievements in school, contributes to global life satisfaction. According to the Value-as-a-moderator model, the contribution of satisfaction with school grades to overall life satisfaction is bigger in individuals who stress the value of achievement. In a similar vein, a different strand of research focusing on a broader set of life domains has shown that domain importance, which can be considered as value orientation, is moderating the relationship between domain satisfaction and overall life satisfaction. In simple terms, this means that my satisfaction with, for example, my financial situation has a bigger influence on life satisfaction if I consider finance as an important domain of life. However, all previous studies assume that interaction effects exist in all analyzed domains. Building on the theory of misprediction of utility, that is, the fact that people do not always know what makes them happy, we assume that the interaction patterns differ across different life domains, with some domains showing no interaction pattern at all. While previous studies have been based on small-scale samples, mostly students, we use data from the Japanese National Survey on Lifestyle Preferences 2010. This is a national probability sample with 2,900 valid observations. Our dependent variable is global happiness, asking respondents, how happy are you currently, measured on a scale ranging from 0, totally unhappy, to 10, totally happy. Our independent variables are domain importance, measured as a binary variable of 0, unimportant, and 1, important, as well as domain satisfaction, measured on a 5-point Likert scale ranging from 1, dissatisfied, to 5, satisfied. Finally, we include a number of socio-demographic covariates. Statistically, we apply a hierarchical regression model to our data, estimating workers and non-workers separately. For reasons of simplicity, we present a summary of our results in this table. The top columns indicate the significance of the conditional main effect of satisfaction. This coefficient is significant if satisfaction in a life domain contributes to happiness, even if it is not considered as important. The rows on the left show the significance of the interaction term of domain importance and domain satisfaction. This coefficient is significant if the contribution of a life domain to global happiness increases when it is considered as important. Looking at the results of our regression analysis, we find very different patterns of interaction. Finance shows a positive correlation with happiness only for respondents who consider it as important. In the case of family relations, respondents who do not consider family as important still show a positive correlation between family satisfaction and happiness. However, respondents who think family relations as important show a significantly higher correlation between family satisfaction and happiness. Purpose in life is correlated with happiness, no matter whether it is considered as important or not. Finally, the domains friends, region, job, and health do not show any significant effects. We want to highlight two important implications of our study. First, we show that the rather simplistic assumption of the value-as-a-moderator-hypothesis that the conditional main effect of domain satisfaction and the interaction with importance are both significant predictors of global life satisfaction does not hold in most cases. Second, given that many individuals do not consider purpose in life as important, although it is significantly correlated with individual happiness, we expect to see people mispredicting their future utility in various decisions that affect their purpose in life. Overall, our study shows that misprediction of utility is not only a phenomenon of individual actions, but also occurs on a meta level of life domains. Thank you for listening.